Hi again, Marcy from Dragon's Treasure Hoard. I've collected some interesting items over the last weeks, and which I shall be listing tonight. And I thought I'd just show you the more interesting ones and throw it on YouTube so you can have a closer look at it. Now, most of what I'm gonna show you is pottery related, but I've got one EPNS item that I want to point out. For a change, it's not English. Actually, it's Swiss made by a Belgian company. It's marked Wieskman. I'm not going to show it the marking up close because the camera's not going to focus on it. It's marked Wieskman. It's got a Swiss cross next to it, the flag, and number 25. And I was trying to find Wieskman in Swiss pottery. Swiss plate work, and I couldn't find it. Turns out to be a Belgian company that made it over there. Quite a good one. And quite a rare piece actually. I don't know what value I'm gonna have to put on it. I've had a bit of a look online about this and I couldn't find much. So I'll have a think about that later when I list it. Now moving on to the pottery, I shall start with this one. Now this is a proper antique. It's about 170 years old, I believe. Now don't get fooled, there is a Chinese marking on the back which is fake. Not recent fake, but an original fake. Sadly a bit of damage on that corner. What did I have marked down for this? Charles May of Stoke. Sadly the foot's broken, but still makes a nice presentation piece. Now the next two I've got, these are a nice deep blue with some gold trimmings on it. Well, sadly the first one that I picked up, I looked at the marking and I couldn't make that out. That's not the camera not being able to zoom, that's just a total blur. Then I picked the second one up, which is a nice print. So I was able to make out that was... no, sorry, I said Mayotte earlier, so it's Grinley. Grinley, I don't know if it's Grinley and Sons? No, Grinley and Co. That's from around 1880s, I believe. Might probably be the first pieces that they made. They're matching except for the stamps on it. Now, the biggest piece on the table, I'll get that out of the way. It's a nice blue meat platter, Asiatic pheasant, sorry. And I know there's quite a few makers of this, but I couldn't find the initials of who made that one. I looked on the potteries website and it just didn't have an explanation of who that was. No, I'm just gonna move that aside for a bit, make some space. No, sorry, this was the Mayotte piece that I had looked at earlier. This pattern dates from around 1900, 1920s. They stopped making them by 1919, I believe. So we can be sure that's definitely an antique. Nice gold edge. Sadly, a few minor scratches. Sadly, a bit of gilt missing, but like completely intact, no cracks, which I'm always happy about. Had a few making plates. I like the blue ones, but these ain't antiques. Just wanted to throw them in there because they look nice. These are only 1980s. These came from the same lot, but I shall be selling them separately. And last but not least, this is One of my favorites when I found it in the bottom of the box. I hope the light shows that up. The gilt on this stands out so nicely. Flanders pattern, and this was made by Grimswade, also of Stoke. They're all in Stoke nowadays. Sorry, back in the days, not nowadays. A really nice piece, except for a small crack in the glazing. Not damage, just a fault in the firing of it. Now I did have a quick look, and I found a tureen that would fit on there on eBay that sold for about 35 quid, so I'm gonna have to look into asking the same price for this. Truly nice piece. Right, I shall get these listed. I'll upload this first and they'll be for sale later tonight. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a good day.